Is your Boss RC1 loop pedal not working correctly? Maybe the lights are flashing or you can't get it back into the original mode? Well, then I'm here to help. This is how to fix your Boss RC1 in 2026. Here we go. I want this video to be quick and concise, so I'm going to introduce to you how all the modes work very quickly. There's only 3. First, I'm going to show you the way you probably want it to look. Plug your patch cable in output A, make sure it's plugged into the wall. Here we go. 1 tap, record. 1 tap, overdub. 2 taps, stop. That's probably how you want it to look. If it's mixed up, unplug that cable one more time. Make sure you're plugged into the outlet. Hold down the pedal, plug that into output A. You're going to see that there's a little red bar that shows up on the bottom, and this is the first mode. There is a little green bar that appears, and then a little multicolored bar that shows up. These are the 3 modes of the pedal. One of them is the record mode, one of them is the stop mode, and one of them is the lights mode. And they each change different things in the pedal. So, to get your pedal back to the original mode, what you're going to do is you want all these bars to be on top. So you double click, so switch it to the top. You can see this one's on the top. If it's on the bottom like this, just double click it. Switches it back to the top. And then your metal pedal will be back into the original mode. I like to have mine in a different mode, and this is the mode where it will not automatically go into the overdub once you stop recording. So on the record mode, on the red bar, what I do is I double click and put that little bar down to the bottom. Then it'll automatically go back into the playback mode after you finish recording your first take, instead of going automatically into the overdub mode. If you want it to go automatically into the overdub mode, switch it back to the original settings. So that's basically how you can set up your Boss RC1. You can mess with the other settings and it'll do other stuff, but just to set it back to the original, to then get it back to where you want it to be, put the red at the top, green at the top, and the red and green at the top. If you want it in my mode, put the red on the bottom, green at the top, red and green on the top. Hope this was useful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.